Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you where to source some of your imagery and videos for your reel or for your advertisement that you're going to create and put it across all your social media. So, the platform that I enjoy using, and it's free, it's called pexels.com. I'm just going to navigate to this channel. And based on the old video, the last video I made, we are going to make a video for a teeth whitening product. So what we'll do here is we'll say we're looking for white teeth. What's nice about this platform is that it can give you images and videos. So what we'll do is that we'll get some videos first. So whatever niche that you're in, you just type in based on the script that we generated from ChatGPT. Okay, so as we go, someone brushing their teeth. So this is something that we can definitely use. I'm just gonna download a few. As you can see, you can also edit on Canva for free. And then let's see what else they're able to find us. So now we've got still images of white teeth. Oh, it's not even still images, it's actually videos. So as you can see, this is perfect content. I'm going to download this. So as you can see, this is perfect content. If you're using a teeth whitening, so if you want to be more dramatic and exaggerate, can bring it here. But remember, we're going to be using the script from ChatGPT to guide us in terms of how do we sequence all these videos and what to look for. So what I definitely probably would look for here is yellow teeth, because we want to show our customer, or sell the promise that we will take them from yellow teeth to white teeth. So I would highly recommend that you use pexels.com, and then you go on to AliExpress to actually get some, product videos and product videos and product images that we can use. So let's see that be before and after. These are the type of videos we're looking for. Let me say stained. So you just come here and if you can't find videos, maybe let's see photos. And then we download this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you in the next video.